Look, he's trying to get you. Oh. So you're just gonna change Oakley. What? Oh. Sage picked out Oakley's outfit. I'm gonna have Daddy put it on.
One arm at a time.
Wow, Oakley. Poor little guy.
I got you. Poor guy. Now this side.
Matt is downstairs with the kiddos. I'm just doing a quick get ready. I think we're gonna go for brunch and then go to the park after. But both the kids are gonna have to have breakfast here, or pre-breakfast, and then eat at the restaurant. Oakley slept so good last night. He's been on a really good track of sleeping through the night. I don't want to jinx it, but it's going really, really well. I know I've been requested to do like a full video on sleep and stuff. I am planning on doing that regardless of the feedback I will get, because sleep is a sensitive topic with parents. Even though I'm not working out today, I am wearing my workout clothes just because I think we're gonna go to the park after, so it's basically a workout. It's gonna be 26 today, so nice and hot. I'm probably gonna wanna wear a hat, so I'll probably just have my hair back. These, by the way, are the best scrunchies of my life. I'm gonna link them down below. They come in a pack with like all different colors. I am finally gonna get my hair done next week. I'm very excited. It needs a good trim and just like a refresh with my color. Drunk Elephant just sent me, this is the whipped cream moisturizer. I like this one, and I really, really like the green one. I think it's called like Proteiny. These are great, and I love like, you just like pump it. So it's very hygienic and stays clean. I'm not really doing makeup today, but I just want to do like maybe my brows and some mascara. We are going out in public, so I'm getting my brows done next week too. Wow, if you only saw the mess that is my bathroom counter right now, oh my gosh. The rest of the house is clean, but my bathroom and closet is not. I usually never get ready this early. Like the birds are still chirping. But when you get a moment, you take it. You know what, while we're here, just a little help for the under eyes. I will link everything I'm using down below. All right. Let's do this. This is one of the new outfits I got from Lulu. I did a whole haul on my Instagram account. Follow me there. But I love these shorts. They're so comfy. And this is like one of the only sports bras that like is holding me in right now. And I like the color tones together. I got a few new pieces. They're over there. Not put away, obviously. Are we making the bed today? Let's go downstairs. This is how our mornings go. Princess here. She's watching her show. Oh, banana sushi. Also, I grew up watching Magic School Bus, and I love that she's into it. I feel like everyone has different rules and restrictions around TV time and screen time. For us, we do try to limit it, but we're fine with her watching it in the morning. I've just been trying to have her watch something more educational in the morning. Honestly, Magic School Bus. I learned so much from that show. I still remember things. Especially when you have two kids, if one of them can just be preoccupied while you're doing the other one, it helps. So I don't feel bad about her watching TV in the morning, and it's also the weekend, so we're a little bit more, yeah, Saturday morning cartoons. And we're gonna be out all day. Okay, did Sage dress you today? You gonna have breakfast? Yeah. So in the mornings, usually he starts on the floor. He was in his room for a bit on the floor. He goes in this, and then he goes, we bring this guy out. It's the morning baby circuit. That's how we do dishes. Matt's already on it, oh my goodness. And this is how we do mornings. This is how I meal prep a lot of Oakley's food. He has, what is this one? I think that's like carrot or sweet potato. I pop this on here, add a little water, cover it, and then I think he's gonna have some fresh strawberries on the side. Also, these are some of my cookie dough bites I made last night. Instead of rolling them now, I squish them down into like a cookie because Sage really likes them and they're just easier for her to eat that way. So I'm just gonna pop them into a stasher bag. These are such a great breastfeeding snack because they just are satiating. You can also add in a scoop of collagen, like unflavored collagen in there for extra protein, and I love doing that sometimes as well. I'm gonna put these in the freezer, and same thing with these. These silicone stand-up storage bags are amazing. They really come in handy. I also froze a bunch of a beef and liver stew. I know, sounds delicious. But Oakley, he really liked it. It's so good for him, so much iron, and I showed how I made this in my recent What I Eat in a Day. It's like what mommy and baby eats in a day. So if you guys want some ideas, go check out that video. I'll link it down below. But we got some stew. He's gonna have it later today too. I have some in the fridge. This is real life. Kids are feral, I tell you. I'm gonna let these sit out for just a second before I try to pop them out. We got some fresh strawberries I mashed and sweet potato with hemp hearts. Go, Oakley. You're ready. Are you ready? Oh, strawberry. Yummy. The faces he makes are always so funny. Should Daddy do your hair?
Yeah.
Wow. You gonna feed him? She knows. You spill on people. Here you go, Oakley. There you go. I swear we literally just did the dishes and already it's a mess. Side note, this is the cleaning system that I use. I will also use white vinegar and stuff to clean, but this is Branch Basics. They have the plastic containers and the glass. What I love about it is that it's just literally one soap that you buy. It's their concentrate. I'm almost out of this one. And then you fill up different containers with different amounts of this and water. That is literally it. This is the all-purpose one. They have a glass one, and then they have a bathroom one. So really love these, and they're just completely non-toxic. Not sponsored. I love them. It's loud here. I've worked with them in the past. I'll see if my code is still active. I'll link it down below if it is. Let me know if you're curious about other non-toxic things I use in my house. I can always do a video kind of just going around and showing you guys that, because I feel like we pretty much have cleaned up all the products in our house. Okay, we gotta go in 15 minutes. Oakley's still messy. Oakley, are you ready to go in 15? There you go. Where's the other one? Oh my gosh, guys, this is second child things. You're with Sage, if something fell on the floor, I would have completely sterilized it. Him, I'm just no hair, we're good. The floors were just cleaned, but it's just funny how things change with second kids. Yeah, that's how we build our immune system. It's fine. I take my herbal coffee to go with me, especially if we're going out for breakfast, because they're not gonna have this. So I'll just bring it in a thermos, and honestly, no one ever bugs me about it, so I'm gonna do that today. Good job. So refreshing. And if you're wondering, does it get all over the floor? It does, but I think it's worth it. And I know it's not going to be forever, so we just deal with it. Even though Oakley's eating right now, I'm bringing a couple things to the restaurant. They have high chairs there, so I'm gonna try to see if he'll have a little snack. I have a bib, some utensils, a banana, and I have one of these. It's a little stained from watermelon, but I have one of these feeders, so if I pop anything in here, he can just munch on it. But I'm trying to do nothing too messy because he's at a messy phase right now. Yeah, you are. Yeah. So we want to keep it light. Honestly, I find avocado and banana really good for restaurants, or little snacks that they can pick up, but he's not at that stage yet. All right, Oakley's in there. I'm gonna pack another pair of socks because I never have too many. I always bring a swaddle blanket. That's my sweater. You ready to go? You're all dressed and cleaned up. Oh no, we're already losing socks. See what I mean? Sage is bringing all the toys to the restaurant. Yeah. Do you have enough?
That's cool.
Do you need more?
No.
No? Okay. We got enough. If you don't want your kids to sit and watch TV while they eat, bring toys. Don't hold the paper, just the black straw.
Black straw. Like that? Go.
You got blow, check it. Oh. Wow. Oh, I got avocado toast. So you went right for the bacon? This is the sunscreen that we love. You got food on your face?
Come on,
Yeah.
dude.
Some water? So today Oakley is still napping. I've been doing a couple of laps while Matt is at the park with Sage. And I was just kind of thinking that something that I feel like a lot of people don't talk about when it comes to having 2 kids. Like everyone's just like, it's crazier, it's, you know, you have no time for yourself. But I just want to talk about these like quiet moments you get again with your second. That yes, there are few and far in between. I used to have a lot more of them when Sage was little, but you know, if you work as a team and, you know, like each of you has a kid, when you're with the baby, especially as a mom, you know, postpartum, you're healing physically and mentally. I feel like it's just so important to have quiet moments with baby and just take those in, you know, like life with a toddler is always go, go, go and loud and busy. But there's something really special about these like quiet moments with your second that I think is really important to have. For bonding and just for healing for yourself. So I used to feel so guilty to have these moments with Sage. Now with Oakley, I just feel like I know I just want to cherish them and soak them in and not feel guilty about it because I'm like, oh, I'm with the baby. So, you know, I'm parenting right now and it just happens to be he's napping. I honestly feel my calmest when I'm just by the water. Breeze, it's sunny, it's just beautiful outside. So I'm very grateful for this gorgeous day. Sage, you sit slow. She knows I get dizzy on these. Sage! Woo! I can't do these spinny rides. I'm gonna get so sick. I take back what I said about relaxing. She's putting me through an obstacle course right now. This is my workout. They're kind of matching. I didn't even realize it. You guys are matching. Oh, okay. We just did pee break. Oakley's up. Okay, let's go. Let's see if we can go to the market. Oh no, this is gonna take forever. I need one of those like little skater things. We wanted to try to hit the farmer's market, but I think it closes in like 20 minutes and you can't go fast with 2. And by that, I mean with a toddler. Oakley just goes where we go. Pregnant.
And now we both have little babies. And they both have O names.
Yeah, oh,
so this is Ollie.
Ollie, oh, so cute. Gelato stop. What flavor did you get? Mint? Green? Oh, delicious. Just made paninis with some focaccia bread I got from the bakery. All right, we just got to my mom's. We're tired. I made, Sage, what are you eating? Okay, 2 hands, please. 2 hands. I made some paninis for Sage and I picked up some sourdough focaccia bread. And then for Oakley, I just boiled up some carrot and apples since I forgot to bring the beef and liver stew in the fridge because we kind of came here last minute. So I boiled this. It's super soft. I can just pinch it. So we'll see how he does with that. It's just cooling. We usually end up at the grandparents' house at some point in the weekend. We're gonna be here tomorrow too for a family barbecue. Do you like that?
Yeah.
Was he doing that?
Okay.
Milk?
Milk?
Oakley, milk? Milk? Yeah! Okay.
Okay. Milk.
Teach the whole hand, not just the whole hand.
I'm starting to teach Oakley sign language, and milk is like the first one I started. Milk? Oh my god, he's doing it, Chloe, already. Apple and carrot? He's like, I don't know about that. Oh, Oakley! Oakley and I are having lunch. Daddy's cleaning the floor. Time to get your PJs on. We got night diapers, a book, sleep sack, all the essentials. I also every night like to give his face, hands, and feet a little wipe down, even on days we don't do bath time, just to clean you up, huh? Yeah. What are you doing? Just give your face under the neck, the hands a little wipe. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. You want milk? You want milk? Guys, I started teaching him sign language for milk like 2 weeks ago, and he's already got it. I'm kind of freaking out. How did you learn that so fast? Look at these cute new jammies. So summery. Let's see if these fit. I'm be sad if they fit because they're 6 to 12. Oh my goodness, they don't have footies. You've upgraded. You want milk? Milky? Milky? Oh, he knows. He knows. Oakley, Milky? Oakley! Oh my gosh, you're so... He's a genius. Little blue truck rolled into the city. Beep, beep, beep. Isn't it pretty? Sage is downstairs with Daddy having a little snack. We were gonna stay at my mom's for dinner, but it was already getting late, and we had a late lunch, so we weren't that hungry. But Sage is having a snack. I think they're coming up. And we gotta get the kids to bed. The faster we get the kids to bed, the faster we have some me time. Me time. Thanks for watching.